Another great subdivision located north of San Antonio is Kinder Ranch, where the views encompass rolling hills, lush greenery, and wildlife. Kinder Ranch is a community that has several gated subdivisions located between Bulverde and Borgfeld Road with access to Highway 281, just minutes away from the San Antonio International Airport. Kinder Ranch is where luxury meets the natural beauty of the Texas Hill Country, with its unique trails for walking or jogging, a well-planned common areas. It also has a beautifully designed recreation center with a meeting room, a large covered terrace, and a Junior Olympic swimming pool. You can find all these amenities in this subdivision located on the banks of Cibolo Creek, designed to enjoy nature. Another great advantage of living in Kinder Ranch is its public elementary, middle, and high schools, all within the Comal Independent School District, making it the ideal community for your entire family. As the need for new homes continues to grow, many well-established builders in San Antonio are designing beautiful, functional homes that feature smart home technology in all of their products. Some of these builders are Perry Homes, Ashton Woods, Cedarly Homes, David Whitley, and Monticello Homes. Prices start around $650,000 up to $980,000, where some homes have buyer incentives, helping them with their interest rate buy-down program. Contact us to make an appointment to tour these amazing homes, and if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to give us a like.